Hello everyone, it's Darla. It's Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. Today I have a tip that I want to share with you because my ladies shared it with me. I had forgotten all about it. Last month in my classes I did some intricate die cutting and we had to glue them with a multi-purpose glue, which is fantastic glue, but let's admit it, it does get messy on those intricate dies. And one of my ladies like, we need those adhesive sheets, and I'm thinking you are absolutely right. So this month I'm doing another card. This is the card, the Joy card, that it's from the is it Baubles, Intricate Baubles dies. And so we're making this card, and I am using the adhesive sheets. So I just am here today to remind you about the adhesive sheets and show you how to use them. So I have our red foil paper, and I have a package of adhesive sheets. You get 12 in a package. They're 6 inches by 12, and they cost $10. So all you do, it's really simple, is you remove this is the sticky part that you're removing, and you put it onto your foil paper or whatever cardstock you're going to use. So you can do just small pieces as well. But these are a little bigger, and I can do two of them per 6 inches. So I'm doing the whole sheet. And here's the last piece. And then you just simply take your die and run it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Oops, crash. And you cut it out. I have one pre-cut here, and that's what I was grabbing, and that was the crash, my plate fell. And then you have it all ready to use on your card. I don't have my foam right here handy, but you get it. The brush takes all the intricate pieces out. Then I have my base that I'm going to add it to, and I simply peel off the backing, which I thought would be a little tricky with this really intricate die, but it's not. It comes off really easily. Now remember, they were put in on strips, so there's a line through them, so it's not going to come all off as one piece, if that makes sense. I think it does. And there you have it. Beautiful intricate die adhered to the bottle or to your card base with no glue messes. It makes a beautiful card. Great product. I'm so embarrassed that I've forgotten to use it, but an awesome product. Give it a try. Adhesive Sheets, item number 152334, $10 for 12 sheets. That's a pretty good deal. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll give this card a try and this product a try. And I hope you'll have fun creating. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you next week with Tuesday's tip.